Y'all see the Sharpie guy? It's okay. Can I read it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. I'm gonna say yes. I can do that. All right. Page 1. So I'm gonna do stuff today from test number 2, and I'm gonna do number 17, which just says find the domain of g of x equals x plus 6, and then number 18, it says solve log base 2 8x plus 5 equals 4, and number 23, it says a plus p times 1 plus over n nt formula. Okay, I'm gonna do those 3 things right there from test number 2. Okay. All right. So let me do number 17 first. So it says find the domain. And there's a formula for this. Is if you have f of x equals ln ax plus b, the way you find the domain, you set ax plus b bigger than 0. Okay. So I'm gonna use this formula for that one right there. So number 17, exactly. It says find the domain. It says g of x is ln x plus 6. So I'm going to set x plus 6 bigger than 0. So now, to get the x by itself, subtract what from both sides? Tell me.
6.
6, exactly. So x is bigger than negative 6. That one's done. Can do another one. 17.111. Says find the domain. F of x is somebody's put up a minus in there. X minus 7. So you set it up. X minus 7 bigger than 0. So x minus 7 bigger than 0. All right. So next step, what do you do to both sides? Guess.
Add 7.
At 7, at 7. So x is greater than 7. Let's do it again one more time. 17.999. It's going to say find the domain. F of x equals ln. I'm putting a big number. Lx 100. So you set x minus 100 is bigger than 0. So now you do, what do you add to both sides? Tell me. What do you do both sides?
Add 100.
Yep, add 100. Add 100. So x is bigger than 100. Okay, so that's domain, 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 domain. Those okay for domains for the number 17? Y'all okay with those? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I'm gonna say yes, you got that skill. So now, before I do number 18, let me do old stuff first, okay? Yeah, before I do this one, let me do old stuff. Okay. So on your calculator, let's do the calculator first. Okay, get your calculators out, and let's do this. Let's do example number 1. Log of 100. But do it in the calculator, and I'll show you how to do that. Go log 100. Like that. Do it in the calculator, see what you get. You tell me. What y'all get?
Two.
What?
2.
2? Exactly 2?
Yes.
All right, and I'll tell you what the calculator does. This is called base 10. All these LOGs are 10. It says this number to that power right there should give you the NC Kid 1. I don't know if you've seen that movie before. And he says, I'm going to show you how to do karate. You're going to do wax on, wax off. What? So this number to this power is this. So I'm going to go 10 to the 2 is 100. So 10 times 10, is that going to be 100? Let's see, 100 is exactly 100. Yes. So 10 to the 2 power is 100. Another one. Number 2. You do this one. Don't tell me the answer. I'm going to put a big number. Log of, I don't know. Don't say the answer. Just do it in a calculator. Just wait. Just wait. Don't do anything. Put it on it. Just wait. Okay. Got my calculator. Okay. Good batteries. I got 3. Is that what y'all get? 3? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, because it's going to say this number to this power is this answer. Like that's the circle. So 10 to the 3 is that 1,000? 10 times 10 times 10 is that 1,000? Let's see. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 more is 1,000. Do they match? Yep, they match. Little number. Number 3. Log of just 10. Give me a number for that one. What'd y'all get?
1.
1. Because this is base 10. This is 10 to this power should give me this answer. So it's 10 to the 1. Give me a 10. 10 equals 10. Yes, it does. Okay, does that make sense so far? All right, now these are all LOGs, 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 because I have it on the calculator like this. Now, number 4 is going to say this. It's going to say solve the problem now. What? It's going to say log of x plus 5 equals 2. And this is still going to be a 10. LOG just means base 10, always. LOG is 10. So I know that this number, this magic power here, should give me that answer. So 10 to the 2 power should give me exactly x plus 5. This number to this power should be that. So 10 times 10, I don't know, you tell me what that is. What's 10 times 10?
100.
100. X plus 5. So now, subtract from both sides what? Tell me.
5.
5 minus 5. So these are gone. So 100 minus 5 is how much?
95.
Yep, it's 95 equals x. We're done. Okay, let me do some more like these. You'll see in a second. All right, page number 3. Same kind of stuff. Example number 5. Suppose I have log and some other base. Let's say I have 2 to the 2x plus 8 equals 4. So now I don't have a log LOG 10, I have log base 2. Doesn't matter. Still the setup. It's the same way. Ready? So this is what you do. You go, this number to this power is this answer. So 2 to the 4 power equals 2x plus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 2x plus 8. So ready? 2 times 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16. Is that okay with everybody right there? Then what? How do you get x by itself? Subtract something. You tell me.
Check 8.
Yep. 1 is 8. 1 is 8. So 8 equals 2x. And then divide by something. By what? By what?
2.
2. All right, so the answer is x is what number?
4.
I don't know. What's 8 divided by 2?
4.
Do the calculator. The number's too big. 8 divided by 2. What'd y'all get?
4.
4. There you go. I do another one. This is log of 4 of 2x plus 1 is, I don't know, 2 power or something. So 4 to the 2 is this answer. So 4 to the 2 power is 2x plus 1. So 4 times 4, I don't know what that is. You tell me. What's 4 times 4?
16.
16. So now, from both sides, subtract one number. What I subtract from both sides?
-1.
Minus 1, minus 1. So on the left side, 16 minus 1 is
15.
15. 2x. Then one more step. Divide by something. Divide
Hey guys, anyone else have a connection issues with class? Oh, okay, I see you on the chat. Thank you.
All right, there it is. Finally. Let's see. Share the screen. Let's see. Let me get this thing real quick. Hang on. Let's go with this guy right here. Share screen with Albert again. Oh, there it is. Got it. All right. Can you see my picture again? Hopefully, yes. Yes.
Yes.
I see my two Sharpies. And the internet thing was kicking me out of there, man.
Yes, got you now.
Oh, it's okay. All right. Yeah, he just shot me out of there. Let's go reset it. All right. So now I'm going to do exactly number 18. Okay. So you're number 18. This one's right here. So 18, this is page 4, is log base 2. 8x plus 5 equals 4. This one right here. 8x plus 5 equals 4. Okay, so let's do that one. So this number to this power should give me this answer. So 2 to the 4 is 8x plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? Do that on the calculator. What'd you get? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. What'd you get?
16.
16. 8x plus 5. So now minus 5 minus 5. So 11 is 8x. And then I got one more step. Divide by what? You tell me. Divide by, what's your guess?
8.
8. Okay. This one by 8. This one by 8. Okay. So 11 over 8 is, that's it, right? Now, and I can't, now I gotta do decimals. Leave it alone. Leave it like it is. Okay, another one. Ready? 18.999. I'm gonna say log base 11 of 2x plus 3 equals 1. So that means 11 to the 1 is this answer. So 11 to the 1 power is 2x plus 3. So 11 is 2x plus 3. And then what's the next step? You tell me. Subtract what from both sides?
3.
Minus 3 minus 3. So 11 minus 3 is, give me a number.
8.
8. So now divide both sides by 2. This side by 2. So x is, give me an answer.
4.
4. Yeah. Can we do 2 more of these just to make sure you got them, okay? All right, same problems. I'm just going to change the number. This will be like 17. All right, 18 point something, 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 0.999. So you have log base 7 of 3x plus 1 equals 2. So this number to this power is this. So 7 to the second is 3x plus 1. Then what? What's 7 times 7? You tell me. 7 times 7 is? Guess. The calculator. 49? Okay.
14.
14? Okay. 7 times 7 is 14. Use your calculators. Multiply 7 times 7. Do it in the calculator.
49.
49. All right. So now we're right there, right? So now I'm going to subtract from both sides something. Say minus 1, minus 1. So when your calculator needs to subtract those numbers, 49 minus 1. Do it in the calculator. You tell me. What is it? 49 minus 1 is?
48.
So now divide by 3. Divide by 3. So x is, I don't know.
16.
16 exactly. Let me say 16 exactly. Is that okay? Yes or no? All right. Do one more like this one. Then before I go to the next one. Log of, I don't know. How about 7x plus 11? Let's say 2. And I'm going to say, oh no, base 3. 2 to the 3. So first step you do is you tell me. I do 2 to this power is this. So now you tell me what that means. What is 2 to 2 times 2 times 2? Do it in a calculator. What's 2 times 2 times 2? Calculator. Do it in a calculator. Don't do stuff in your head, man. 2 times 2 times 2.
8.
8 equals 7x plus 11. So now, minus 11, minus 11. So now 8 minus 11, do it in the calculator.
-3.
All right, I got one more step. Divide this by something, divide this by something. What do I divide by? Tell me.
7.
7, 7. So there it is right there. So maybe 3 over 7 is the answer for this one. All right, so this is okay. I'm gonna say it's done. All right, so number 18, number 17, 18, you can do those, right? Let me go to number 23. Let me do 23. 23, let me copy it down. It says A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. So now, I'm gonna give you some numbers to put in there. Okay. Right, let me look at the question. Let me look exactly number 23. See what it is. It says 200 and R is 9% and N is 4 quarterly. Okay. And what does it say? And T two years. All right. I just say what all this stuff means. All right. You put $200 in a bank. The bank says we'll give you 9% quarterly. Means 4 times a year. Every 3 months, we put money in your account. And at the end of the time, at the end of 2 years, you'll have money in your account, more money. So it goes like this: $200. So now 1 plus R is 0.09, and quarterly 4. and it's going to be NT, so it's going to be 4 times, what is it, 2. So A is $200 times 1 plus 0.09 over 4 to the 8 power. So now, you're going to do all this stuff in the calculator. Now, I'll show you how to do it in a calculator in a second. To the power of 8. Okay, so this is how you do it. Calculator, ready? Hit on. Clear, make sure everything's out of there. 200. Everybody do it right now. 200. Parentheses. 1 plus 0.09 divided by 4 to the power up in the top. It's going to have 8. So 200, 1.09 to divided by 4 to the power of 8. Hit enter. I got 238. What'd y'all get? Me numbers. Me all your numbers. What'd you get? What'd y'all get? 200, 1.0, 1 plus 0.09 divided by 4 to the 8 power is, give me numbers.
238.9662284.
966, 2284. Is that what you said? Okay. So, or you can round it off to, I guess, $238.97. All right. So your mom said, look, I'm going to put some money for college. Okay, Mom, thanks. I'm going to put $200 and leave it in the bank for 2 years. And 2 years from now, you'll have money to go to Palo Alto College or wherever you're going to go. She said, and 2 years later, she said, look, I have $238.97 ready for you to go to college now. You say, okay, Mom, thanks. Now you can go to Palo Alto, right? Yeah, sure. Of course I can. Okay. So now, let's say, we'll tell you, this is what you do. You tell your grandma that you're going to go to college. Okay, but tell them when you're real young. Okay, this is what you do. You tell your grandma, I'm on number 1. Tell her, Grandma, I'm going to go to college. Okay. So, and you tell her when you're like in 4th grade, tell her, look, Grandma, I'm in 4th grade now, but I'm going to go to college in the future. So why don't you put some money in an account for me, and now when I'm ready to go to college, you have money for me to go to school. She said, okay, I'll do that. Sure. So let's do this right here. 23.777. Same formula. I'm just going to change the numbers and stuff in here, okay? All right. So tell Grandma, how much money can you take out for your Social Security retirement money and put it in an account so that I'll have money in the future? Grandma says, well, I can take out, Grandpa and I can take out this much money and put it in an account just for you. We're going to put $10,000 in an account for you for the future. Right now, you're 4th grader. That means 8 years from now, if you finish high school, we'll give you the money plus interest. Okay. And R is interest rate. And I'm just going to say, I don't know, we'll just say 9%. Let's just keep it 9%. So that's 0.09. Okay. And then N, we say it's going to be 12. We're going to do this compounded monthly. So you put in an account where every month they put a little bit of interest in that account for your grandma, and eventually it'll be your money. So $10,000, 9%, 12, and time. So you're a 4th grader. That means 8 years from now, they'll say, go get the money, it's yours. Here's a checking account. Here's the passwords. Here's the account. Get all the money and transfer it to your account. You say, okay, thanks. So ready, let me set it up. So it looks like it's $10,000. 1 is 0.09 divided by 12, because it's 1 plus 0.09 by 12 to the 96. So now you're going to do this on the calculator. So you're going to do it this way. 1 plus 0.09 divided by 12 to the power of 96, like this. So calculator, ready? I'm going to do it on my calculator. You do it also. I'm going to go 10,000. 1, 2, 3. 10,000 parentheses 1 plus 0.09 divided by 12 to the power of 96. So I got 20. Is that right? 20,000? What'd you get? Tell me what you got. Give me your numbers. How much y'all get? Give me your numbers. So it was 10,000, but you left it in the bank account for 8 years. So how much money is in your account now? So give me a number you got.
20,489.
Point in 21. Is that okay?
21.
All right. Grandma's gonna say, look, you ready to finish high school? Yes. Let me see your diploma. Okay. Got your diploma? Yes. This has your name on it? Yes. Okay. You finished graduating? Yes. Okay. So now you can go to this account. I'm gonna give you the account number and the password. And all this money that's in this account, take it out and put it in your checking account. And then what I want you to do with this money is go to college with it, okay? Use it for tuition and fees and books and stuff like that, all right? That's what I want you to do with this money. So you tell your grandma, okay, grandma, thank you. Get the money, put it in your account, right? Now, if grandma number one, the poor grandma that lives over here, I don't know where she lives. They say Villaret. She lives in Villaret and Zarzamora. That's where she lives. She lives in Villaret and Zarzamora. But she was able to take out $10,000 from her retirement, Social Security, and all sorts of stuff, put it all in an account just for you. 8 years ago, when you were a fourth grader, now you're done. You're 12th grader. You're out of there. So now the money belongs to what? To you, because he said, I'm going to give it to you. Okay. So if grandma number one knows about it, you think you should tell grandma number two also about it? What's going on? Okay, this grandma told her, hey, you gonna put money? Yes. You know what? Thanks, grandma. I'm gonna tell the other grandma that you're giving me money for the future for college. So tell grandma number two also. So let's do hers. Okay. So now you have to tell grandma number two. Tell, hey, grandma, you know the other grandma lives in Villa Zamora? Yeah. What about her? She put $10,000 for me for the future. When I get out fourth grade, when I finish 12th graders, I get money from her for college. So, and y'all live over here in the north side, far away. Y'all live by, I don't know, Chavano Park, which is, I tell you where that is. You go 281 north, you get to 1604, and it's over there somewhere. It's like 30 miles from 35 miles from the south side, way over there on the north side somewhere. So there's a nice big old house. So you tell her, hey, grandma put money. She put $10,000 in my account for the future. So, grandma, what are you gonna do? You think you can help me too? You know what they're gonna do. Are they gonna help you? Of course they are. Are they gonna put more than poor grandma? You know the answer. Of course they are. So let's say this grandma's gonna say, how much did you put? $10,000. Okay, that's fine. So she talks to grandpa and says, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put 3 times more money. We're gonna put $30,000 in a checking account for you in the future, savings account. Okay. And our banks over here pay better interest than the Southside banks. Really? They pay a lot better than here. They pay 24%. That's 0.24 instead of 9%. Okay. And what are you gonna do? I'm gonna make it sure monthly. We're gonna do the same thing. Every month we want to get money from that in that bank. And right now, what are you right now? You're a fourth grader. That's fine. All right. So 8 years from now, you'll be a 12th grader. So in 8 years from now, you can get that money, take it out, use it for college. That's it. That's it. Okay. So let's set up their account. So what do? They have 30,000. R is 0.24 over 12, and 12 times 8 again. So A is 30,000 times 1 plus 0.24 divided by 12 to the 96 power. So now on the calculator, you're going to do it this way. Times 1.24 over 96. No, over 12. 12 to the power of 96. That's what it is. So okay, so now I do this on a calculator. 30,000. 1, 2, 3, there. $30,000, parentheses, 1 plus 0.24 divided by 12 to the power of 96. So they're going to leave it in there. Same thing, 8 years, just like the other abuelita. But since they put it in a better bank, more interest, that $30,000 is going to get bigger, faster. How much? Give me a number. What y'all get? Give me all them. Just give me numbers. Don't even say what they are. $30,000. Put it in there. Let it sit there for a while. How much do you get?
200. 200.
That's right. 787. Is that what you said? Okay. 277. What else? Point 99. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. All right. So this is what I was going to tell you. We put 30,000 in there in our bank over here by Chavano Park, far away, and left it in there. We got interest monthly. 8 years have gone by. You have shows your diploma. Yeah, right here, Grandma. Okay, your name's on it. Yep. All right. So here's the account number. Here's the password. All the money in that account belongs to you now. So you can get it out and transfer it to your account. Okay, to your checking account, to your savings account. All of it is, yeah, all of it is yours. So, okay, Grandma, thanks. So now, let's see what happened so far. Number 7, number 8. All right, so far, let me see what I have. The first grandma, well, let's see. Grandma 2. Grandma number 2 gave you said it was 278,787.99. And the other grandma gave us 20,489.21. So now, there they are. Let's add those two numbers together. So far, it left some money to us, right? 7, 8. This would be number 9. All right. So add those numbers. Do it in the calculator. Add those numbers up. At 200,000, that's 20,049. Give me numbers. Give me what you get. Let's see, 221. I don't know. Do it in the calculator. You do it. All right, give me numbers. Just give me a number. Don't even say what they are. Tell me what you got. All right, got it? Tell me whatever you think it is. 200, 787.99, 20,000, 489.21. And what y'all get? Just give me all the numbers. Don't say what they are. Just give me a bunch of numbers.
$221, $277,
221? Okay. 2021, is that what you said?
220, no, 22-1.
202? Like that?
No, I said it wrong. My bad.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay. That's all right. I'll wait.
221277.2.
Okay. Let me do this again. Hang on a second. So somebody said 221. 221. What else?
277.2.
Okay, got it. All right. So grandma 1, grandma 2. This one leaves you 20,000. This leaves you 200,000. So right now you have $221,277 in your checking account or savings account. Transfer all of it. Take every penny out of that account. Put it in there. And then, since you're a senior already out of high school, let's go to PAC semester 1. Semester 1 will probably cost you $2,000. Easy. You go PAC again. Semester 2, it's going to cost you another $2,000. You're going to file out again. Semester number 3, another $2,000. It doesn't matter. You get cash. Don't worry about it, man. You're going to go semester number 4, another $2,000. So far, you spent, add those numbers up, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. Add those 4 times. What'd you get? What's 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000?
8,000.
8,000. This money gone. You already spent it at Palo Alto for 4 semesters. You got your associates. That's good. So now you finish there. Let's go to UTSA. Semester number 5. All right. So UTSA, you go there, and tuition is not going to be 2,000. It's going to be more than that for sure at UTSA. So I don't know. What is it? How much is it at UTSA? Do anybody know for 1 semester? Like 8,000, you think? Because it's gonna be at least 3 times, maybe 4 times Palo Alto. Let's just say 8,000. 1 semester, give me 8,000. You just say, so you want to come here again semester? Yes, semester number 6. Another 8,000. And he says, you gonna come again next semester? Yes, I am. Semester, you get another 8,000. And then you're gonna go UTSA one more time, semester number 8, and another 8,000. So you go UTSA, 4 semesters, 8,000, 8,000. Give me the numbers in that one. What's 8,000, 8,000, 8,000, 8,000? Give me a number. How much?
32,000.
32,000. All right. So now you have this much money's gone. This much money's gone. Okay, but now you have your, this is for your Bachelor of Science in something, accounting, teaching, something like that. Associates, you got it. Bachelor's, you got it. Got your, you spent 32,000. You spent 8,000 already. It's gone from this money. You don't have any more. You spent it. That's okay. So, and I guess you can, and of course, if you already have this, you got your degree. You can get a new car now. Do you still have money? I think so. Yeah, you got money. I don't know. Let's get a new car. What's that? I don't know. How about a Jeep, a 2020 Jeep 4x4, the 4-door one. Okay. I don't know. What do they run? What's a 4-door 2020 brand new Jeep with leather and the navigation, all stuff in it? What do you think? 50,000? You think this much money? Think that'll cover your Jeep? Brand new one. Look around, see what you want. You want the red one? You want the blue one? You want the brown leather, black leather? What do you want? Just tell the guy, this is what I want in my Jeep. I want a 4x4, 4 doors, big Jeep, and I want leather and a navigation. I want tinted windows, and I want, I don't know what else you want. I want a lift on it. And the guy said, it's going to be 50,000. That's fine. That's fine. I don't mind. So now let's see what's going on. Money's gone. So now we have 8,000 plus 32,000 plus another 50 you can spend for your brand new Jeep, of course. So add these up. How much money have you spent so far? 50, 32, and 8. Give me a number. What's 50, 32, and 8? On your calculator, of course. Of your college fund that your grandma's gave you and your mom, how much have you spent so far? Add it up and give me a number in the calculator.
90,000.
Somebody said 90,000. Is everybody okay with that? All right. So now 90,000 is go. So that means 221,277. That's what you had in your checking account when you first started this business. But you already spent 90,000, get your degrees and get your Jeep. So right now, how much is left over in your checking? How much do you still have in your account? Give me this number here. Subtract the numbers. 221, 277, take away 90,000. What do y'all get? What's 221,000? 277, take away 90,000. How much is left? All right, give me numbers. Two two 1.777 20 minus 90,000.00.
11277.
How much?
131
131. Okay.
277.
277.20.
20.
All right. So she said that you have $131,000 still left in your checking account from the grandma's money, right? So now here. You think I can rent an apartment for myself so I can be hanging out by myself with my friends? What do you think? Do I have money for the down payment? Do I have money for the first month's rent, second month's rent? What do you think? and I got my Bachelor of Science in accounting or whatever I got it in. I know I can get a job for sure somewhere. So I got a job, and I have money, and I want an apartment, and I have my Jeep, and I have my degree, and I still have 131,000 in my checking account. So can I get an apartment, pay the down payment, pay all the electricity, set up the electricity, the internet, everything I need to do for my apartment? I would think easy, right? Or let's do the other way. Okay, this is what you can do. You just say 2 years. Got your degree, got your car with your Jeep, whatever. You still have some money left over, and you can just leave it there. I guess start working. There it is, right there, waiting for you. Okay. Or the state controls the tuition. This is a state school. That means the what? The state controls the tuition. Okay. State, state, state. All these are state. Now, what if your 4 best friends from high school, okay, you talk to them and they say, hey, y'all gonna go with me to Palo Alto? They said, no. I'm gonna go to Palo Alto. It's a state school, man. And we don't want to go to state school. We want to go to a private university, man. What? A private university. Okay. So they say, where y'all gonna go? Well, some other friends of us that are going to school already, they say we should go here. Right there. Is St. Mary's University a private university? The answer is yes. So now I just tell you what it costs there for semester 1 and semester 2. Okay. For 2 semesters, 1 year, it costs, let me think, what was it I saw? It was like around there. I'm not sure what it is this year, but it was like this much. It was like, it cost $70,000 to go Fall Spring with your best friends. Then, if you go another year number 2, semester number 3, semester number 4, that's another 70,000 you're gonna spend. And if you go to the 3rd year there, okay, year number 3, it's gonna cost you semester number 5, semester number 6. It's another 70,000. All right. So in 3 years, if you go to this private university with your best friends, your 4 best friends from high school, okay, you go hang out with them at the, because you know them since 8th grade, 7th grade, you know them, so they want to hang out with you. So 70, 70, 70. Give me a price on that. How much is that? What's 70 and 70 and 70? How much money did you spend so far? I mean, you're not finished with your degree or anything, but you already went 3 years anyway. How much? Give me a number. What's 70 and 70 and 70?
$210,000.
2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, like that? Is that right? Like that? Yeah, it could be 70, 70 is 140, and then 7 more is 3 times 7 is 21, 21, and then a bunch of zeros. Yeah. 210,000 is gone. Okay. But you still need to go another year. You need to go to your 4th year. So you still need to go semester number 7 and semester number 8. You still need to go here another year to finish your thing. But your grandma's only gave you how much? $221,277.20. That's all they gave you, the grandmas. Grandma number 1 and 2. And you spent how much? 210, 000. All right, give me this number. So you spent 3 years, St. Mary's is your best friends. So how much money do you still have left over on your grandma's college fund? How much? Subtract those numbers. What'd you get?
$11,277.
20?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So now I paid the tuition fees, and the money's gone. I took it on my checking account. And then I said, well, how much do I have in my bank account now? You have 11,000. So if you want to go another semester to St. Mary's, well, it's going to cost 70,000, but you don't have that much money. You only have what, 11? And you're short? Híjole, you're short, man. That's okay. Because you know what you're going to do? You're going to fill out this form here, FAFSA, or whatever they call us. And you're going to get a student loan, a 30-year student loan. Okay? You just sign your name on it. Whatever they need you to sign it and give them the stuff they need to know. And they'll get the money and they'll pay the difference. And then you just pay it off in 30 years. Does that make sense? And then you finish your degree at least, your bachelor's. Your money's all gone, but at least you finish your with a loan, student loan, of course. Does that make sense? Okay, let me tell you why I'm telling you this. Where did I go to school? Let me tell you where I went to school, so you figure it out. I went to this school here, SAC. Is that a state school? You know it is. Of course it is. SAC, PAC, St. Philip's. All these schools are Northwood Vista. All these, and then Lakeview, whatever they call it. All these schools are state. That means the state controls tuition. Everybody's gonna pay 2,000 a semester, or whatever number they tell you. That's what you gotta pay. Now from there, I went to this other place. Texas State University. Hey, is that a state school also? It's like UTSA. That's a state school. And the state controls the tuition? Yes. So tuition's control. So when you go to these schools here, the 2,000, you can probably pay it off. 4,000 a year, you can probably pay that off in 1 year. And then same thing with this, you can start paying it off as you go along. And you're done. But my brother and my 2 sisters asked me, y'all gonna go to Texas State also with me over here? They said, no. I said, where y'all gonna go? You're gonna go here. Because our 4 best friends are going to school there also. To St. Mary's. My best friends are all going there. So that's where you're gonna go there? Well, yeah. But you're gonna have to get a bunch of loans, man. Grandma and grandpa didn't leave you nothing. Yeah, I know. So you're gonna have to get all these student loans for all the semesters you go there. And then you're gonna owe all this money back to this guys. That's okay, because we're gonna be with our best friends anyway. So it doesn't matter. We're with our 4 best friends from 7th, 8th grade. That's okay. So yes, they went there. And then they finished there. And then, do you think they owe money there? Answer me that question. Yes or no? What do you think? What do you think? Do you think they owe money after getting all the loans?
Yes.
The answer is yes. Did they sign those 30-year loans? Yes. So they just sign another one, get the money, You sign, we'll bill you. Okay? So that's what happened. Anyway. All right. So let me tell you what I want you to do. My math lab, I want you to do, make sure my internet doesn't kick me out of here again. 17, 18, and 23. You're going to do what? Test number 2. Let me write that down. Test number 2, you're going to do what? 17, 18, and 23. All right? For my math lab, 17, 18, 23. These right here. Right there. Okay. Go to my math lab. You know what that is. They're just like the ones we did. Same thing, just different numbers. Okay, anybody any questions on anything? You're okay? All right, so do those 3 problems for Wednesday, okay? And then I'll look at them tomorrow, see if you did them by Wednesday morning or something. Just try it, okay? 17, 18, and 23. And they look just like the 17, 18, 23 we did right now. So I think you should be okay. All right.
Thank you.
So I'm going to turn it off in about 1 minute, okay? 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 30 seconds. Turn it off in 30 seconds. This is o'clock. Monday. Today is 26, 20. Okay, got it. Yeah, send them in there. All right. 15 seconds. I'm going to shut it off, man. 15 seconds. All right, guys. See you later. Later.